Aries, what's up? This is going to be your career reading for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. It's a general reading, guys, so this may or may not resonate with every Aries watching this video, okay? If you do need a personal reading, all that information is going to be down below. This is for Aries, work, career, business. What can Aries expect at work this week, please? What can Aries expect at work? What can Aries expect at work this week? Wow, Ace of Wands. You're starting something new. Looks like you have a lot of enthusiasm. You're probably at the brink of your career right now, Aries. Something sparked you. You know, something's got that spark. You got that passion to start something new, brand new. Right now, yeah. See, you're ending something. 10 of Wands here. You're almost at the end of almost at the end of a cycle. Looks like you're letting go of a career, letting go of a job, or letting go of a certain business, or you're letting go of a certain position and ready to move into a new position. What's challenging this is that you're feeling very insecure. You literally have everything that you need, but you're just feeling very insecure from inside, okay? Or there is this need for growth and expansion, and right now where you are, you just feel that things are just not growing, okay? There is no more learning to do. You've probably done enough of growing, enough of expansion here, and now you feel the need to grow, but you're feeling very creatively stifled, okay? You feel your creativity is blocked here, and that's becoming like a big burden on you. This job, this career is more of a burden rather than giving you happiness. And now with the Ace of Wands, you're looking for something brand new. See, in the past, anyways, you were stuck with this work because it just gave you the financial stability. You weren't really emotionally fulfilled here. On your mind is the Three of Cups. So yeah, you want to have a good time probably. Maybe you want to collaborate with people, not getting that so much. But probably with the Three of Cups here, you're getting along with colleagues, or you just want to get along with colleagues, okay? You want an environment which is very, very toxic free, and, an environment where you can be happy and, people are getting along. See, with the Sun here, you're probably looking for a lot of happiness, okay? Again, like I'm getting, you're looking for something that makes you very happy. The Sun is a very positive card. New projects, new business, like a lot of passion. But yeah, with the Sun here on your subconscious mind, right, this is something that you don't see coming, so there's a lot of happiness coming your way. I think with the Five of Wands in reverse, there's going to be a resolution. If you are not on the same page with some people, or if you've been fighting a lot, I think there's going to be like a peaceful resolution to that fights, conflicts, to the competition. Either you're giving up on competition, or you're walking away from competition because you just don't feel it's worth it. Nine of Swords in reverse here. Yeah, on your mind is wanting something new. But I think you're stressing out. You probably are, there's some regret that you have, but you're ready to let go of that regret, okay? There's something that you're thinking about over and over again. But I think that what you're thinking about is wanting a new start somewhere, a new job, a new business, a new career, because we have the Ace of Wands and Ace of Pentacles. So look like this is whatever this is, right? This is something that's sparking your enthusiasm, okay? Sparking that passion, igniting that passion within you. And with the Four of Cups here, I think you're very stuck on the past. The Four of Cups is two energies. One, either you're very stuck on the past, you're stuck on what didn't work out in this job or this career, okay? A lot of dissatisfaction, discontentment, or you're very focused on what your colleagues have. This could be a lot of jealousy. And because you're so jealous or focused on what others have, you're not being able to see the other opportunities that are available to you. Okay? That's that insecurity card with the Empress in reverse here. What's the tell me, what's the Five of Wands in reverse? What is this Five of Wands reverse? What's the Five of Wands in reverse? Yeah, see, you just want to be happy. You want to get done with the drama. There could be a lot of drama involved at your workplace, okay? Competition, strife, conflicts, etc. Looks like in the near future you're giving that up because all you want is happiness, with the 10 of cups here. Yeah, you want a job which is emotionally, not only emotionally fulfilling you, but also something that makes you very content and stable. And that's what you're looking for because you're giving up. You're done and fed up and tired with the drama and chaos that you're being faced. You're looking for something new. Tell me what's the Ace of Wands? Two of Cups in reverse. It looks like there's a breakup in a partnership. You guys don't share the same goals anymore, or there's just a split in a business partnership, and now you're wanting to pursue something new. You want to go your way, they're going their way. Okay, there's a split in a partnership. Like I said, you guys, probably there's a lack of trust between you guys, there's mistrust, or then you guys, your agendas are different. Okay, it's you guys don't share the same goals anymore. This could be someone who you really got along with once. You guys were on the same page, leading the company, leading the business, or the two colleagues, who were in sync with each other. But right now you guys, if there's been like a fallout. What's the 10 of Wands here? What's the 10 of Wands? What's the 10 of Wands? Ace of Cups. See, Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands, Ace of Pentacles. You want new. You want a new beginning. But not only do you want an emotional new beginning, you want somewhere where, you're bored here, I'm getting. You're bored here, you're bored with this partnership. Or you're just butting heads with your colleagues, you're just not getting along, and now you just want to get lost. You just want to leave, you want to go away, and you want to go towards something that makes you emotionally very happy. Okay, the 10 of Cups is not a career card, but it's all about emotional happiness. Maybe the work that you're doing is putting a lot of pressure on your family and work. Like it's like there's like this imbalance, a lot of conflict between your family and work. And that's something that that you're not being able to handle. So you're ready to shed this load, and you're wanting to, probably there's too much responsibilities that you have at this workplace. Okay, and maybe there's no one to share those responsibilities with you, neither are you ready to delegate work, etc. And it's becoming a big burden. Okay, most of responsibilities, probably your boss just keeps giving you work, your colleagues keep giving you work, and you don't say no, and it's become too much. And now you want something that makes you inspired. Okay, you want that inspiration, you're looking for something that makes you emotionally very happy, fulfilled, and that's clearly not happening here. What's the Empress in reverse? What's the Empress in reverse? Yeah, see, I guess you want to leave this job here with the Tower here. This is like an epiphany, and all of a sudden a realization that my growth and expansion is not here. Something's not growing anymore, and I think unexpectedly you've realized there's some lesson that you've learned, and you probably have been awakened to something, and you realize that it's time for you to leave, or it's time for you to make a move and get into something else, like move to a next level. What's the Nine of Swords in reverse? Yeah, your stresses are getting better. Nine of Swords in reverse, Eight of Swords in reverse. So yeah, whatever you were stressing about, whatever that overnight, you had sleepless nights over, it's getting better. You're stopping to stress about it because your focus is happiness. You have a more positive approach. You're starting to see light at the end of the tunnel. You're starting to see things in a more positive way, in a more optimism. There's a lot of optimism in your approach towards your career right now. And with the Nine of Swords to the Eight of Swords in reverse, if there was any kind of situation where you felt very trapped in a situation or in a job, you're ready to let go of that job. Okay, with the Eight of Swords in reverse here, this was a situation or a career where you felt very stuck. Okay, very trapped for a very long time. And now, like I said, right, you want to approach yourself into something that you love, something that makes you happy, something that you're passionate about, along with that something that gives you a lot of stability. Okay, so you're trying to balance the situation out. Not only are you only focused on the emotional stability, emotional fulfillment, but you also want that fire, that passion, and you also want the money, which is not bad, which is amazing. If you can get these three in a career or a job or a business, you're doing well. In your environment with the Lovers in reverse here, I feel you're having a hard time making a choice to leave this place probably. What's the Lovers in reverse? I feel, what's the Lovers in reverse here? I feel that probably you're not being able to leave this place. That's why there's still that discontent. There is an opportunity here, but you're still stuck to this place here. That doesn't make you happy. What's the Lovers in reverse here? See, there are opportunities available. You're very focused and very determined, but there is a choice that is needed to be made. Okay, a very logistic choice, a very logical choice, a very head over heart decision. But right now, you're probably sticking to something which only gives you stability, and I mean, like in the King of Cups in the reverse in the past, right? You're sticking to something only because it's giving you the finances, it's paying the rent. But otherwise, it's just not making you happy, and you're wanting to make that move, but you need to make that big decision. You need to leave something else in order for you to move forward, and that's something that you're not doing. It's there in your emotions with the Ace of Pentacles. You want this new beginning, but with the outcome here, looks like you're still stuck to this job. What's the Four of Cups? What's the Four of Cups? See, Seven of Wands, because you feel the need to protect and guard yourself. I'm feeling you're still sticking around because you feel you've made like a fortune for yourself, a kind of a stable structure. You've made a position for yourself, and there's too much competition there, okay, which is making you very unhappy, and there's a lack of progress too. But still, you're not ready to give up on that because it's a big risk for you probably to move forward and go into and look for something brand new, okay. That's why with the Seven of Wands here, right, you're still stuck here. You'll still face the challenges. You'll still go ahead and continue facing people, and stand up for yourself, wanting to hold your ground. But with the Four of Cups here, there's still so much of discontentment out here. Yeah, there is an opportunity here with that cup here. There is an opportunity here, but your problem is that you're being too stubborn. You're refusing to see things, that there are other opportunities available to you. It's probably that risk that you don't want to take. You're still making the wrong choice. You're still thinking more from your heart and not from your head. Logically, you should be moving forward and wanting to take up something new or whatever you're looking forward to, but you're still in two minds. And you probably feel that it's safer and better to protect what you have, guard what you have, and not let that security slip away, rather than let this entire security go and look for something brand new, okay, which can be a big risk because you don't know if that's going to work out or not. So that's what I have for you, Aries. I hope this reading resonates with you. Like, share, subscribe, leave your comments below, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.